Hello, my name is Bartek Żukiewicz and here is the 100 rule of success. So let's start. Remember that every person born as a salesman, you're selling every day. If you want to convince your children to make a homework, you have to prove him that this is worth to do, this is very important to make lessons. If you, for example, want to date with some girl, you have to convince her that you are enough attracted to be value for her, to meet with her, to go on the date. Yeah. If you, for example, want to raise your payment in the job, you have to convince your boss that you are worth able for raising the payment. So remember, I know that people, if are trying to sell anything, are embarrassed about this. Yeah, but you should not, because you have ability, you know how to do this, because you're doing this every day. Just use this skill, just use this ability to selling products, then you will have the money, then you will start earning a lot of money. Thank you for watching this video and go to the next lesson, 100 rule of the success. Thank you very much. Bye.